Hello again, with a heads up for communities along the southern half of the New South Wales coast and for East Gippsland in Victoria ahead of a wet and windy start to next week. We're seeing the risk of an east coast low. Now these are weather systems that can impact communities through flash flooding, damage to trees and property and through coastal erosion. There's still a few different forecast scenarios possible though, so it's important to stay updated over the weekend with all the latest forecasts and warnings. In the most likely scenario, severe weather may begin to impact eastern New South Wales as early as Sunday as a low develops near the coast. We'll see the worst of the weather on Monday and Tuesday though, including the potential for heavy rain, road and river flooding, damaging winds and large seas. Winds may be strong enough to bring down trees and power lines, and beach conditions will be dangerous right along the coast. As with all East Coast lows, pinpointing exactly which communities will see the worst of the weather depends on exactly where and how close to the coast any low pressure centres form. It's this fine detail that will become clearer over the course of the weekend. As of Friday morning though, all of the main computer model forecasts that we use at the Bureau are beginning to show better agreement that the heaviest rain will most likely be along the New South Wales southern half of the coast. Forecasts for rainfall amounts though are still inconsistent, with some models indicating peak totals of over 200 millimetres across Monday and Tuesday, with others forecasting much less. For East Gippsland and Victoria especially, there's still the chance that we could see either a lot of rain over a couple of days or very little at all. It's this low down in the Bight that will be responsible for next week's weather once it reaches the east coast. In the lead up, we'll see showers and thunderstorms during Friday and the weekend across southern Queensland, New South Wales and Victoria as a front and trough move across the southeast. Some of those storms may bring the risk of gusty winds and bursts of heavier rain. With South Coast and East Gippsland landscapes still recovering after the summer bushfires, next week's weather could see some serious impacts. Make sure to stay up to date with all the latest forecasts and warnings on the Bureau's website, app and social media, and please take all advice from emergency services.